After watching this video, you will be able to make this incredibly delicious carrot cake quickly, without a lot of equipment, and ingredients that I bet you have most of them in your kitchen. So let's walk through the process together. All you need for this cake is 3 eggs at room temperature, 150 grams of granulated sugar, 150 milliliters vegetable oil, 200 grams of grated carrots, 250 grams all-purpose flour, 16 grams of baking powder, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, 50 grams of chopped walnuts, a pinch of salt, and 1 tablespoon white vinegar. On a large bowl, put the eggs, add the sugar and salt, and whisk with a hand mixer or a whisk until the texture is light in color. Then add the oil and continue whisking. Then add the shredded carrots and the walnuts and whisk until well blended. Add the sifted flour, then the baking powder, and continue whisking until there is no more streaks of flour. Add the spices. I grated a half nutmeg because the flavor is denser than the store-bought ground nutmeg. And lastly, add the vinegar to make the cake lighter and airier. Put the cake batter into a buttered and floured cake pan and place it in a preheated oven to 340 Fahrenheit and bake it for about 50 minutes. You can test if the cake is fully baked by inserting a toothpick that has to come totally clean. When the cake is completely cool, split the cake into 2 even layers. Insert a knife partially to mark the layer of the cake halfway. Wrap a strong thread all around the cake. Cross the ends over and pull the thread through the cake, which cuts it in half. And now they are ready to receive a nice cream cheese frosting that contains 450 grams of cream cheese, 90 grams of soft butter, 150 grams of powdered sugar, and 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar or extract. Add the cream cheese and powdered and vanilla sugar on a mixing bowl, and with the paddle attachment of your stand mixer, stir until well combined. Then add the butter and continue stirring. And here's how velvety the texture should look like. Put this cream cheese frosting into a icing bag. Bring a cake layer. Preferably the top one should be used as the first layer. Coat it evenly with a nice layer of the frosting. Then flatten it using a spatula. Bring the other cake layer and pipe another coat of the cream. Then cover the edges too. Use your favorite piping nozzle and decorate as desired. I surrounded the cake with stars and I made flowers in the middle. Then you're free to use any add-ins to decorate. I covered the edges with chopped walnuts and drizzled the cake top with toasted coconut flakes and candied orange peels to add a variety of flavors to our beautiful cake. I hope you tried this incredible recipe that you can enjoy any time of the day. Let me know if you like this recipe and follow for more.